Hey, hey, hey. I am in a butterfly trail. I believe this is what it's called. Yes, a butterfly trail. I got the opportunity to participate in Painting in the Park today, and it's next to a butterfly trail. Like, how amazing is that? How amazing. Um, I am surrounded by butterflies. Yes, and I got the opportunity to experience some creative, emotional, and social rest today. This has been absolutely refreshing and restorative. There's a butterfly chair, and I'm just surrounded by butterflies. I like that um, art piece right there. This is so refreshing. All right, y'all, create a great day. Be intentionally well rested.